In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack incoming webhook. This is a great tool for automating the process of sending messages directly to your chosen Slack channels from external applications or services, streamlining your workflow and enhancing communication within your team. So, let's get started. The first step is navigating to the official Slack API website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for an option labeled Your Apps. This is your starting gateway to developing your own applications within the Slack environment. When you click on Your Apps, you'll be given the option to create new app. Go ahead and select that. You'll see an option that says From Scratch. This is what you'll choose to build your app from the ground up. Now it's time to get a little creative. Enter a name for your app, something descriptive that you'll easily remember. Next, select the Slack workspace where this app will be utilized. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, make sure you're choosing the correct one. When you're ready, hit Create App to finalize this part of the process. Next, we need to enable incoming webhooks. To do that, open up the Slack app you just created. In the app settings, you'll find a section labeled Incoming Webhooks. This feature is not automatically enabled, so your task here is to turn it on. Simply click on Activate Incoming Webhooks, and you're all set for the next step. Now let's add a webhook to your selected Slack channel. The process begins with clicking Add New Webhook to Workspace. You'll see a list of channels you can choose from, so select the one where your messages from external applications should appear. After you've decided on a channel, click Allow to authorize your app. At this point, Slack will generate a unique webhook URL for you. This URL is the key that connects your external services to your Slack channel. The fourth step involves copying that webhook URL. Once generated, carefully copy the URL and paste it into the application or service you aim to connect with Slack. It's crucial to keep this URL private because anyone with access to it can potentially send messages to your chosen Slack channel. So treat it with care, as you would with any confidential information. Finally, the last step is sending a message through this setup. With everything configured, going back to the application that you connected with Slack, you can test the setup by sending a message. The message should appear in your designated Slack channel almost instantaneously, confirming that the integration is working perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Slack incoming webhook. This powerful tool is now ready to streamline your communication, making it easier to automate and manage messages within your Slack workspace. Thank you for following along, and I hope this process unfolds smoothly for you and your team.